Hola mi gente, what's poppin'? So today I am going to do a unboxing for you guys. I'm so excited, oh my god. It is the Canon Rebel T8i. Get a good look, I just got it today. It is the newest model that Canon has come out with, and I'm so excited because you guys know I make YouTube videos. So I want to give you guys just a small, brief camera history that I've had. The first camera I ever worked with was a Nikon camera. And then the following camera that I worked with was a Canon T8i, a Canon Rebel T8i, which I absolutely loved, like I did. But God giveth and God taketh away. So, so I went out and I ordered I wanted to upgrade to the Canon T7i, but the Canon T7i was sold out. And I was so upset at the fact that the Canon T7i was sold out. But God knew what he was doing, because I didn't know that they were coming out with the Canon T8i, because I don't stay updated with the camera updates and when they come out and stuff like that, because once I have a camera, you know, I stick with that camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the camera up on camera. That sounded so crazy. Open the camera up on camera. But it makes sense, right? Anyways, so I'm super duper excited, you guys. Like, this camera shoots in 4K, baby. So we're gonna be getting some clear quality. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the quality on the video and stuff like that. So what I'm filming on right now is I'm filming on my phone, which is the Galaxy S20, and the quality on my phone is amazing as well. So I hope you guys can hear me pretty good. But it comes with my little receipt, okay. Name, address, okay. It comes with my little battery pack. Oh, you know what? This is what I'm gonna do. We about to get real serious. Hold on, let me put my hair back. So I thought this would be a better setup for you guys. So it comes with the little Canon string right here, which I absolutely love. And then it comes with instructions here and the guide. I'm a Canon user, so I believe that if you've had any of the Canons, you are somewhat familiar, especially if you've had the last two models, which is the Canon T6i, I believe, and the Canon T7i. You should probably be familiar with the Canon T8i. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna open this right here, and I'm going to go ahead and put the camera battery to charge, and then I'll come back on camera. Okay, so now that I have put the camera to charge, here's the lens. It's in here, but the most important thing, let's see. Oh my gosh, guys, the moment of truth. The moment of truth. Oh gosh, I gotta set the camera down. Oh my gosh! It is so cute. Look at it. It looks just like the T5i. Well, not just like it, but it looks very similar. The model hasn't changed much. So this is what it's looking like, guys. In the back, this is what you're gonna get. So it is a little bit different, the setup right here, when it comes to your place. I don't know what you call these things. When you set your settings for your camera, it's now here, but from what I see, the recording is still in the same spot, and the setups here for your settings also looks a little bit different. I am going to set up the lens now. Let's open the lens and see. Here is the lens. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I have the Canon Rebel T8i, and this is great. Like, I know Canon is really good for taking speed photos, and it's really good for videography as well. That's why I like Canon, because it's great for pictures and for videos. I feel like Nikon cameras are more so for photography, but I just love the shutter speed of Canon, and I love how excellent the video quality is on here. So let's remove the little bit. Who's your favorite new blogger? It's Issa. What's poppin'? Subscribe to my channel. I can already see myself hey guys, it's Issa. Welcome back to my channel. Or I'm vlogging. How you doing? So I'm going to do a comparison. I want you guys to see the quality of the video, and I'm gonna also show you guys my setup. This is me right in front of my camera, and I'm also gonna post a video of me side by side with the angle of a Canon T8i. It's not gonna be this same particular video, but oh my gosh. This is a great camera for people who are just starting off doing photography, or people who are just starting off basically doing videography or videos on their channel. You guys, I'm absolutely in love with this camera. It has a bunch of features such as Wi-Fi, touch screen, so you can actually touch the screen now to focus yourself, which I think is absolutely amazing. And it's focused. It has a great autofocus. I don't have to press the autofocus button in order for me to focus myself, which is amazing. It's super amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm not a huge camera tech person, but if you have any questions, please feel free to ask the questions down below, and I will get back to you guys a little bit later. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.